telephone wouldn't do you or me much good if it cost so much that only a few people could have one. To be of real telephone service, the instrument has to be produced on a mass scale. From the color that goes into the plastics which house the mechanism to the preparation of the tiniest parts inside, each step in the process is subject to strict control. And each step is performed by a person trained to do exacting work by mass production methods. Turn out one perfect part to do one thing right. Try the performance. It's going to be a precise instrument. Retest. It's going to be a sensitive mechanism. Do each job with precision, with care for detail, with concern, with knowledge, with skill, with the pride of the craftsman, with the joy of competence, and the satisfaction of working with others at this big job of producing thousands of sensitive, accurate instruments. For these are the instruments that will bring the voice, the words, the personality of one person to another hundreds of thousands of times in every minute of every hour of every day and night, from here to there, everywhere in the world. The people who manufacture the telephone do a good job of it. And the job, when it is finished, becomes a mighty neat piece of sound reproduction equipment.